Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin coming down a bit. I don't think we are still in a wave 5. Bitcoin has failed to create a fifth wave, and yeah, that makes the action on the Bitcoin chart a little complicated, and it indicates that we could be in a range for a little while now. Ethereum obviously fulfilled exactly our targets, fulfilled and followed our expectations, made a high, came into that 1960 to 1980 region, came down from there. Happy days. Ethereum's chart is fairly clear to me at this stage, and it has been for the last few weeks, obviously following our primary scenario. Bitcoin makes it a little bit more difficult because here it is not entirely clear where we are on this chart. I'll tell you why. First of all, we currently still assume that a larger degree wave 2 finished on the 15th of June, and we have a possible 5-wave move up on this chart to the 23rd of June high in our alternative bullish wave count. Likely as well, but just not the preferred option. Still not the preferred option, despite today's drop. Well, I cannot, however, assume that this is still the wave 5. It has come down too deep for that. So it is technically, of course, still possible that we get wave 5 here. Just to clarify that if you haven't watched the previous videos, it might be a bit confusing, but the idea is we still would like to see a healthy wave 4. Current assumption or previous assumption was the wave 4 finished on the 30th of June. It could technically still be, but I'm just not happy with price action here. So it is very much possible that wave 4 is extending. Still, support levels remain valid and relevant. And as long as price stays above 28,540, it can theoretically still be a fourth wave here that is unfolding, even though it is quite long time-wise. The lower degree price action, however, would need to change. And we're probably then looking here at a W overshooting X wave, Y wave down, or even A, B, C, different possibilities here. But we have 3 waves down, we have 3 waves up, and no, 1 second, this would need to be X, and then just do that. A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, something like that, yeah. So that we have a WXY structure, and within the Y wave an A, B, C, and the wave 4 support is still relevant, okay? However, we could say that, okay, below 29,450 roughly, yeah, below that low here, probability is certainly increased that we're already in a wave 2. It's hard to say, okay? Now, from a strategy point of view, that really doesn't make a great difference because, again, you could just trade the range. It's the range. I've been talking about that for 2 weeks, that we are in a bullish range between the 23rd of June high and roughly 26K. Yeah, we are in a bullish range. So the lower we go, you could do some gridding. You could buy the dips and sell the rallies into resistance, you know. Price action certainly that is occurring right now suggests that we might be in this range for a little while, because it currently doesn't imply that we go up directly and complete the fifth wave. It might very well be that we either complete a deeper wave 4 or that we're already in the wave 2, and that will take time. That will take time to complete, okay? So if it's going to do the same thing as Ethereum, it's likely already in the wave 2. But what we cannot rule out is that Bitcoin is doing some fancy stuff here and does a wave 5. When Ethereum does the third wave, some crazy stuff like that, okay? But yeah, overall, the assumption hasn't really changed on this chart. We are still in the bullish range, and it just does some annoying short-term price action here, where it's failed again to produce 5 waves up to complete a healthy wave 5. So we look at the options of either a deeper wave 4 or wave 2 already. Certainly still bullish, nothing bearish at the moment on this chart. We would only explore more bearish options below 26,190. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.